No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Did I talk about the food already? Oh my god, the food they have here. You know what? It's packaged, but it's good. It's good for me. I don't know for the rest who are quarantining here. What I like about the food around here, it's in portions. It's definitely what I need. It's enough. The protein source, it comes in variety, you know. It just doesn't come from one protein source. It can even be tokwa, beans, the meat can either be fish. It's been a while. So huge and obsessive about the food that goes into my body, right? Disclaimer, this is not an expert, okay? But from personal experience and from what other experts or more experienced individuals have told me or I've learned from, is that the body is really smart. You get me? And it adapts quickly. If you don't make constant changes, provide variety to your, it just quickly adapts and it will plateau. Whatever you're on, your goal was, you're gonna plateau. Best consult a professional. Or better yet, ask your professional about what I said. And if this quarantine thing is tough, you know, hats off to whoever has completed a 14-day quarantine, or let alone like a 30-day or a 100-day. Mental struggles, you know, trying to preoccupy or something with something that's productive rather than just scrolling up and down and engaging in banters in, you know, social media, because that thing is really toxic.
It's a circus, man.
And if we kind of like, if you think you're the one we're talking about, it's not you. This is in general.
I didn't throw them away, so I guess let's fill them up with water. That's 7 liters, so that's equivalent to 7 kg. Not bad. Helpful. All right, now next one.
You guys want to hear an even better story? Check this out. We started from this, recording episodes on our phone just using the Anchor app. Not a paid sponsorship, but yes, from this to this. A Lenovo ThinkCentre Edge 72, Core i3, yes, all those specs. An HP Pro Display P201 20-inch. These things are a little outdated, but you know what? They still do the trick. I bet the only thing that's pretty up to date here is that GoPro. And the rest of these, I spent a little on the side. But what's most important is they were free of charge. Given and earned, produced 1 year worth of podcast. How bad do you want it?